2017 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, power door locks, clock, power windows, security system, fog lights, power brakes, side airbag, overhead console, intermittent wipers, tachometer, center console, rear view camera. Your new ride is just a phone call away.